What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your website with InfinityFree for free. So first off, head over to Google and type in InfinityFree. You will see this first official website of InfinityFree. Just click on it. After clicking, you will be welcome to this dashboard. And then if you want to create a new account, just click on register now. And then just simply sign up on InfinityFree. So as you can see, I have entered my email and my password. I'll just check this checkbox and then I'll click on sign up. So as you can see, they have sent me a verification link on my email. So here from my mail, I'll just simply click on verify email address and it will verify my email address for Infinity Free. So here you can see that I have signed up my Infinity Free account and I am in. So now I'll just click on create account to create one new account. So now as you can see here, there are multiple plans. First is for free, second is for $2.5, third is for 3.65, and fourth is for 6.02. For now, I'll just go with the free one. To create my free hosting account, I'll just simply have to check this checkbox and it will create my free hosting account. Here on the subdomain, just simply type on your name and then just check if it is available or not. So here I used the name James and it was available. So it just moved me to the next page, which is additional information about my account password and my username. In this page, you don't have to do anything, just simply select I approve in the email consent and just click on create account. So as you can see, I have created this for free on Infinity Free. Now I'll just click on manage. From here, I can access my account and then I'll manage anything from here, like website builder, file manager. From the file manager, I can upload any file I want, or from the website builder, I can build a website and then host it for free. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.